What's going on, family? Welcome to another episode of P2R Live. Got some new news about the stimulus checks. Let's get straight to it. Washington, as the Internal Revenue Service continues to send out stimulus payments, President Donald Trump told the agencies, get my payment too. This week on Twitter, telling people to click receive your money fast. So when you go on IRS.gov, click receive your money fast. After inputting basic information, the tool can tell users when their payment is scheduled and how it will arrive. It also lets people update bank account information so that the IRS can send a direct deposit rather than a check, speeding up the process. The IRS has sent 122 million payments for a total of $207 billion, according to National Taxpayers Advocate Service. But that leaves about 28 million people who are still waiting. Some who have used the Get My Payment tool and are frustrated after receiving a critic status message and have no idea to call for help because the agency shut down. The call center is shut down, you know that because of the pandemic. The tool is updated daily, so it's worth checking back. Here's how to decode the different status messages you might receive. Payment status not available. That's one message everyone receiving, I know. There are several reasons you might get this vague message. First, it might mean you don't qualify because you make too much money. Undocumented workers, including those who pay taxes with an individual tax identification number, are also ineligible, as well as anyone who can be claimed as a dependent for tax purposes, like many college students. That's a damn shame. But it could simply mean the IRS is still processing for 2019 tax return, or the non-filter form you submitted online in order to get the stimulus check, the agency says on its website. It may also mean that the IRS hasn't added your data to the tool yet. Notably, people who receive supplemental income or veteran affairs benefits will likely get this message because their information was not uploaded to the tool. But they will likely be sent their money later in May. At this time, those who see a payment status not available message are not able to input bank account information to help speed up the process. Wait a minute. At first they said anybody could, not even people receive that message. Well, here's the crazy part. A lot of people receive that message. They give you 3 reasons why you receiving the message, which still leave you clueless. You understand? Let's read some more, because whatever. It's crazy, man. This message is better news. At the least, it means that you do qualify for a payment. No, my bad. Let me go back. At this time, those who see a payment status not available, messages are not able to input bank account information to help speed up the process. If you need more information, this is better news. At the least, it means that you do qualify for a payment, but the IRS does not have your bank account information on file, and the tool will be prompt you to input the information. If you don't, a paper check will be sent to you to an address the agency has on file from a 2019 or 2018 tax return. Some people are receiving an error message when they attempt to add their bank account information because the tool is not recognizing their address or adjusted gross income, which it inquires to verify who you are. It goes on. The IRS suggests checking your most recent tax return to make sure the data matches, as well as trying a different way to type in your street address. For example, try 123rd North Main Street instead of 123rd, the letter N, Main Street. You understand? Instead of the initial N, try typing in North. For those with a negative adjusted gross income, which happens for many small business owners, wait a minute here, hold up. Don't include the minus sign or the parentheses. Oh, okay. I'm not getting money anyway, so whatever. You're eligible, but not payment data is available. For some people, the tool confirms that they are eligible, but a payment data hasn't been scheduled. This might happen if you recently uploaded your bank account to the IRS site. If you enter the information before noon on Tuesday, your payment date should be available on Saturday. If it's after noon on Tuesday, you will have to wait at least another week. Sheesh. That's not good, man. Y'all need to get there before Tuesday noon. Your money wasn't sent to an old bank account. That's another message you might get. For some, the tool says that your money was sent, but it went to an old bank account that is now closed. In that case, the bank should be returning the money to the IRS, which will then send you a paper check to the address on file from a 2019 or 2018 tax return. Your payment status will be updated with a new date once the agency receives the money back. Some people have gotten a new date, but the message indicates the money was resent to the old bank account. The IRS says this was a reporting error that has been fixed. Okay, now here's goes the part that might mess some of you up. Who's not eligible? Hold up. Let me go back, because I see something that might mess y'all up. Based on income, and it includes individuals earning more than 9,900. Why they say 99? Why not just 99,000 head of household filers with one child who earn more than 136,500, and married couples without children earning more than 198,000. That doesn't make any sense, man. That's crazy. Whatever, man. That's what it says. Families earning a little more may still be eligible if they have children. The phase out limit depends on how many children they have. For a typical hold up. Somebody said, read that part again. Read that part again. Based on income, this under who's not eligible. Based on income, and it excludes individuals earning more than 99,000 head of household filers with one child who earn more than 136,500, and married couples without children earning more than 198,000. Those people who's not eligible. Families earning a little more still may be eligible if they have children. The phase out limit depends on how many children they have. For a typical family of 4, the amount is completely phased out for those with incomes exceeding 218,000. Those who can be claimed as dependents for tax purposes, like many college students, are also ineligible for the payments, as well as undocumented immigrants who don't have social security numbers. Let me say this, man. That college stuff, they need to tweak that. I don't agree with that. Not at all. before I go, let me make some announcements. Starting Monday, I have an Apple app now. It took me a few days to be working with Apple to get it built and stuff like that. Starting Monday, I will be going live on the Apple app. I will be uploading some of that to this page, P2R Live. So still follow this page. But if you have iOS, Apple phone, iPad, download P2 Aura. That's P as in Paul, the number 2, Aura as in Robert, live. You're going to see a thumbnail with a microphone and a blue and black background. That's it. It's free. Download it. It could be live. You can do live chat. I'm going to start this Monday because I'm still working out the tweaks with Apple development. I swear, man, it's crazy. But if you don't have an Apple phone, that's cool. You can always catch it on Spotify, iTunes Store, Apple Podcasts, Google Play, or this page here, P2R Live. This will be every night except Wednesday and Sunday for now. Because Wednesday and Sunday, I go live on YouTube/P2R Live. That's all for today. Catch you Monday. Or maybe this weekend. Down the app. It's my app. Guess what? I go live anytime. Some good news come, I'm going live. So download the app. It's P2R Live. One love.